Hello, Soapy Family. It's Ty. We're back to rebatch this soap. It's part 2. If you didn't catch part 1, here's a few clips from what happened. I mean, you should really go back and watch it. It's a pretty long video, but I mean, it was a crazy soap. And so it turned out looking like this, so we're here to rebatch it today. Can't leave it like that. It's just hideous. Look at it. So this is what we're going to start off with. Look at all those holes and spots. So we're going to cut off our decorative tops. So it's just some coarse sea salt. And I'm just going to cut them off of all the top of the bars. I think I had 10 bars, 10 or 12 bars. And I'm going to cut all the tops off. And then I'm going to cut them up into small little chunks. As small as I can get them. Some people like to shred theirs. I've even seen people purchase salad shooters that are used for like vegetable salads and stuff like that. And put their soap in there and it shreds it up. Whatever is easiest for you. For me, I just didn't want to sit there and grate soap. So I just chunked mine up. Plus, I still wanted a little bit of chunk inside of my soap at the end. Because I'm going to whip this soap, I want to measure out how much soap I'm putting inside my crock pot to make sure that it doesn't overflow. I measured out exactly 48 ounces of soap chunks and put them inside of my crock pot. And I'm going to put the temperature on high because I can't wait. I need to see results. I love results. So I watch Royal Appleberry and she does a simple syrup. And so I'm going to use that idea. It's 1 part white sugar, 1 part distilled water, mixed until dissolved. And then I am going to use it with 1 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon per pound of my soap chunks. And I am going to add some more along the way. I'm going to stir it up, make sure all my soap chunks get covered up. And then I'm going to add 1/3 cup of coconut milk. And then I'm going to send you guys to the music so you can just watch what happens. And then I'll see you at the end of this soap. Okay. Welcome back, you guys. So if you see that texture, it's all nice and fluffy, and that's from whipping all that air and incorporating it into the soap. And so it should come out nice and fluffy. So I'm going to put some decorative salts on top. And then I'm going to spray it with some alcohol just to make the mica run off of the salts a little bit. And then just like Dexter likes his victims, I like my soap. I cover it with some plastic wrap to protect it from soda ash. I'm not even sure if I get soda ash with hot processed or rebatch soap, but we'll figure it out. And then this is what it came out. It looks so much better. It was very tacky to the touch. If anything, I need to cut back some of my liquids that I add next time. It smells wonderful. Salty Sea Air from Rustic Essentials. So let's see the cut. And this is what we got, guys. If you aren't following me on Instagram, or if you haven't liked the Facebook page, go and do that. And please subscribe and become a part of our Soapy family. We'd love to have you. Until next time, you guys.